Oh my gosh. Look at these snowflakes. I see nothing like it. They've been calling for this snow for about 12 hours now. School's been canceled since yesterday, which is weird. But this time they were right. It actually came. No birds. They don't want any food. I don't know where they are. They were here yesterday. This is the blizzard of 2018, folks, from North Carolina. Wait a minute. I just realized our fire pit looks like that well that the girl crawls out of from The Ring. Holy hell. Oh God, I don't want to look at that. Just now noticed that. That's terrifying. Okay. Alright, that's pretty. I'm cold. I gotta go. Bye.